My name is Sandon Newton. I'm the founder of Protege Game Studios. Protege Game Studios is a hybrid video game development studio that creates video games, but then teaches others how to make them. Protege's connection with iCademy started about 9 years ago. We had built our studio inside the school for kids that are local. They can come in and get professional help, work on our professional tools, whether or not that's the Adobe suite of Illustrator, Photoshop. We have 3D modeling applications from Maya to Blender. We have the Unreal Game Engine platform that a lot of the current AAA games are built on, like Fortnite. We have a sound booth called the Sound Vault. Kids can do dialogue and create special effects and sound effects with. Otherwise, we connect with them online. The state of Michigan has created that Michigan Virtual Course Catalog that allows students to take up to 2 classes each semester of classes that are not available to them in their school. And they can take our 3D modeling and animation course, our traditional to digital media course, our video game development levels 1 and 2. And it's unique, and it's also allows us to connect with a lot of other students. The virtual student taking our courses through the Michigan Virtual Online Class Catalog or through iCademy Global only need a Chromebook type computer, internet access, and that's it. All the other tools are available and accessible to them through our platform. A lot of kids that come in, they have great ideas, but they don't know what goes into video games. We get them started in understanding how video games are created, but there's many different disciplines that go into creating video games. Collaboration at Protege Studios is important, even on the virtual platform. We go out of our way to make sure that the kids are connected, whether or not it's a one-on-one with their instructor, mentor, or that they're working in a cohort group of other like-minded students. But also coming up this next fall is that we're having an esports club team. We do run some tournaments throughout the course of the year, and we connect with other schools, try to bring in as many kids as possible to our location, or if they can't, they can see the live stream online. If you have a kid or student that is interested in video games, Protege Game Studios has the history, the courses, the content to allow your student to be creative and potentially have a pathway to a future career in the creative industry. It's always surprising me each time. You know, if you give the kids kind of the starter tools, the processes, the concepts behind it, they create things that you just go, wow, I wasn't expecting that.